Pasahero ko si Ate Chi. Hi Ate Chi.
Hi.
Happy Sunday, good morning.
Good morning.
May kukunin kami guys. Morning drive with Avanti, Hyundai Avanti. Maangas yung sasakyan natin ngayon. Ito yung dream car ko. Dream car, Hyundai lang malakas. Ganda yung heater, aircon. Let's go guys, takbong pogi lang. May kukunin kami na heater kasi napakalamig sa church. Yan, maganda i-drive dito guys. Papa ni Bro Christian namatay pala. Nag-post Christian Canwilling.